Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to see a very important question from Module 1. So our question is, what are the system calls? Explain its types. So firstly, we will know what it means by system calls. So system calls provide an interface between user programs and the operating system. So it's very simple. You can easily understand what it means by system calls. So they allow a user level program to request services from the OS such as accessing hardware, managing files, or creating processes. So system calls execute in kernel mode, we know, and it ensuring safe and controlled access to system resources. Whenever a user program needs to perform a privileged operation, it uses a system call to transfer control from user mode to kernel mode. So this is called system call. This is the use of system call in this. Now we will know the types of system calls. So the first one is process control. It used to create, execute, and terminate the processes. For example, fork, execute, exit, like that. These are the examples. You have to write these examples in the examination. Now the second one is file management. It is used to create, open, read, write, delete files. So examples are here. You have to write like this. After writing, then you have to open and close the parentheses. After that, device management. It is used to request and release input-output devices. For example, given here, input output control, read, write, these are coming under device management. Now the next one is information maintenance. It is used to get our set system and processes information. For example, get system time, get process attributes. So this coming under information maintenance. Now the next one is communication. It is used for inter-process communication. Examples, message passing, shared memory. So here you can clearly see that example of system calls like read, write, fork, execute. So these all are coming under system calls. So like this, you have to write in your examination to get full marks. So this is very important question. You don't have to skip these questions. And if you want these notes, I have uploaded these notes at my Telegram channel. Link is in the description. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe. Express VTU for all.